Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jeff TheTechBlaser, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. This thing is pretty cool. I've never had a Note device before, so I'm definitely looking forward to getting into this one. Never used the S Pen, nothing like that, so I'm definitely excited for this one, and can't wait to unbox it. Here we go. Alright, so we got our Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G box here. Has the S Pen on the front of it, unlocked by Samsung on the back with a little bit of extra information on it. Typical Samsung packaging. It's a nice clean box. Again with that S Pen on the front, and I think that front S Pen will go with whatever color version of the Note you got. So we'll start opening it. We'll start the unboxing. Alright. I am pretty excited about this one. I got the unlocked white version, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, I believe. Alright, there it is. This phone is big. Put that off to the side though, see what kind of paperwork is in here. It's a little tricky to get out of the box. Alright. Put that off to the side. Probably just have the typical paperwork. Alright, get it open. A quick reference guide and everything right there. Typical stuff you're going to get with the Samsung phone, or any phone really. Alright, on to the main guy right here. This phone looks huge. It looks bigger than my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Get the front. Alright, there's that mystic, I believe it's mystic white color right there. That camera module is pretty big, but can't beat that color. That is beautiful. Oh yeah, that's a huge screen. It's definitely got some heft to it. Looks even better with that little protection plastic off of the back of it. A closer look at the camera module. This is the biggest camera module on any phone I've ever seen. It's beautiful. Where's the S Pen? There it is. This will be my first phone with an S Pen, so I have a lot of learning to do with this. It's white, matches the color of the phone, so that's beautiful. It's nice. I think you can do all sorts of air gestures with the pen too, so definitely gonna have to learn how to do all that. But there it is. Gonna boot it up for us. I'll get it set up off camera, but just want to turn it on right now. Nice sides to it. Alright, see what else we have in the box. This is just like a cardboard shield, I guess. Make sure everything else doesn't move, and so the phone can sit on it. Alright. I think we just have, let's see. Just got the cable in there. Decent sized cable. Not bad. USB-C. USB-C to USB-C. Then we get the charging brick. Should be some form of fast charging on this one. Yeah, USB-C. Oh, some small writing there for you. Not bad. Alright. Get the box back together. This will end up in the background of one of my videos. But, alright. Nice. Get that out of the way. Focus on the phone again. This thing It's huge. It definitely has a good amount of weight. I can already tell it might be a little bit heavier than my 11 Pro Max, but I'll get the SIM card in this thing, get it booted up, and we'll be on our way with it. Don't want to scratch the front of the screen. But yeah, there we go. Alright, so that was my quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Really excited about this one. Definitely can't wait to put it through its paces and really test everything out on this one. I'm going to be daily driving this for a while, at least until the new iPhone, then I might try that one out. But I'm loving the screen on this one. It's giant, it's bright. I've already watched a little bit of YouTube on there, and that looks spectacular on it. Tiny hole punch for the front-facing camera, so that's awesome. Much better than a giant notch. But yeah, can't wait to put this one through its paces, and it looks beautiful so far. But yep, that's been my unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.